Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for deciding to click on today's video. I have a first impression for you today, and I just got this in the mail. This is the MAC Cosmetics Frosted Firework collection. It looks beautiful. I have here an entire box jam-packed with lots of products from this line. This is their holiday launch, and I'm really excited to go ahead and try this out with you guys. So we're gonna do a first impressions review on this. So why don't we go ahead and get started. All right, so this arrived on my doorstep, which I was so excited about, from MAC Cosmetics. Again, it's called their Toasted Firework collection, and it arrived in this beautiful sparkly pink box, and when you open it, it is just jam-packed with lots of MAC goodies. I'm so excited to see everything that is a part of this collection. I honestly got this and I was actually about to film something else, and I was like, let me film with this instead. So I haven't even looked in this at all. I saw some of the trend mood pictures when this first was released. I thought it looked beautiful, but now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys all of the products. So I want to start digging everything out. I haven't, like I said, looked at this. So we're gonna kind of walk through the collection first, and then we will go ahead and start testing it out. So everything has this very beautiful pink sparkly packaging, which I actually love. I think it's so beautiful. MAC does such a good job with their holiday launches. I feel like their packaging is just always so good with that. So I know that I don't have like all of the shades in it, but it says it will be available on the 15th of October. So this should be available now for you guys to go ahead and grab everything. But like I said, I don't think I have the entire collection, but I have a lot of it. So we can at least get like a feel for the collection. So first, let's go ahead and start with this one, because this is the biggest little bundle right here, and this is very pretty, like frosted snowflake looking packaging. And then here on the back, it has the products in here. So this is a holiday bundle. So this is the eye bronze kit. Oh, cute. This is really cute. It's like a frosted, almost looks like a leopard print bag, and then the products are actually outside of it. So we have their mascara, and then also an eyeliner as well, and then two different eyeshadows. These look really pretty as well. So here is what those look like, some frosted, very pretty like bronzed shades right there. So that's that bundle. I was trying to find a price on that set right there, but I don't see it on here. So I'm just gonna keep going with the products that are in here. I'll have all of this entire collection linked down below, so if you want to see any particular products, make sure to check down there for links. So these are the Extra Dimension Skin Finishes, and I am so excited about these because the packaging looks so pretty on these. So this one here is in the shade Flare for the Dramatic. You guys, look at that pink packaging, so beautiful, and this one just looks so pretty on the inside. It's a gold. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll give this one a nice little swatch so we can see what it looks like. There is a swatch of it right there. Very pretty. And then we also have another highlight, and again, same packaging on this one. Super gorgeous. This one is called the Let It Glow. Ooh, and this one's like a white frosty highlight. And we might as well give this one a swatch as well. This one looks like it has a little bit more of a glitter texture to it. So there's that one swatched there next to the other one. And then we have a bunch of these. These are called their Extra Dimension Foil Eyeshadows, and it looks like we have a bunch of different colors. So this first one right here, really pretty. This is called Explosive Chemistry. And again, these are really foiled. If you've never tried them before, they're just such a pigmented, like shiny looking shadow. So there's that one right there. The next one that we have is Firework in the Room. This one is a gorgeous, like deep red shade. This one would be perfect for a holiday season. I'll go ahead and give that one a quick swatch. Very pretty as well. Okay, and then we've got quite a few more of those that they sent over. So we have the Sparktacular. Ooh, what's this one? Gorgeous. So this one is like a gold shade. So we have that one. And I'm just going to keep kind of swatching all over because I want to swatch them and then we'll try them out. So there's that one. That one would be really pretty, I think, as a highlight as well. And then it looks like we have two more. So the next one is Cooler Than Being Cool. This one is like an icy white shade. And ooh, this one looks a little chunky. There's that one. It almost has like a pinky shift to it. Both of those would be really pretty as highlights as well. And then we also have the Silver Bells shade as well. And I'll go ahead and give this one, oh, this one almost looks like a silver gunmetal, like frosted silver color. And yes, very pretty there. as well. So there's the swatches of the last 3. So those are all the eyeshadows, and then we also had, it looks like, some lip liners, or these, I'm not sure if they're lip liners or eyeliners. Let's pull them out. So this is the Zenith Can You Chill, and let's see what's, oh, okay, they're eyeliners, cool. So these are double-ended eyeliner pens, awesome. So we have like a green and then also like a navy color. I don't know if I've ever tried MAC's liners, so this is going to be a new experience for me to go ahead and try these out. So we have like, they're both almost like a navy. So this is a deeper matte shade, and then we also have a metallic. I love when brands do that. Like, you can get both best of both worlds with metallic and a matte color. And this one is called Short Fuse Be Cool BB. Just have long names to them. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and give a swatch. This one has a white. I love that because I love doing that in my waterline. And then we also have a deeper burgundy purple. So there is the swatch right there of that duo. And then there is one more, it looks like right here. And this one is called Dark Spark Bitter in Glitter. Cute. And then this one has, it looks like a black, and then also the other side looks like more of like a maroon brown. So there's the last one right there. So there's all 3 of the eyeliners. So far, swatch-wise, everything looks so pretty. The packaging on this also, it has like the sparkle still. Pink, I love this packaging. I sent over 5 different lipsticks. I know in the pictures here it looks like there are also like some lip glosses as well, so those will be a part of the collection. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Wow, I love these too. I love collecting MAC lipsticks because I just feel like they're so beautiful. So this one here is called Heart Goes Boom, and I'm gonna start on this side actually with the lipsticks because I feel like yours has more room over there. This one is just like a really pretty candy apple red shade. This is a matte formula, I believe. Yes, a matte. There's just something about the way MAC lipsticks smell. I love the smell of them. And then this is Out with a Bang. And then this one is one of their amplified cream lipsticks. So that's a little bit of a different finish. We have Snow Filter up next. So it looks like all of these are red shades. It's definitely holiday friendly. And there is that one right here. This one looks like it's more of their sheer formula. So this is the Luster lipstick. Okay, we've got 2 more shades. This nice one is Ice Ice Baby. Ooh, this one is a pretty pink shade. This one almost looks like it has a metallic finish to it. Yes, so here is that one. That one's pretty, and this is one of their Frost lipsticks. And then the very last one that I got sent is this one here, which is called Once Bitten Ice Shy. And this one, ooh, is a like frosted white shade. This one looks like it's going to be very, very sparkly. It is nice and metallic. You can see, sorry, right there, the swatch of it. It has just like, this looks like it would be really nice as like a topper almost. It has some glitter to it, but nothing too intense. So that is swatches of everything. I'm excited to go ahead and dig into the products because I'm just like dripping in glitter here. So excited. So I'm gonna actually, I think, apply some bronzer because I wasn't sure what was all in here. So I'm gonna apply some bronzer so we look a little more lifelike, and then we'll try out the highlights. I just noticed Bretman right here looking fabulous. That is beautiful. So he must have did the artwork for this campaign. I am manifesting that right now. I would love to do that one day, like be the face of a campaign. I just have always wanted to do that. I mean, it'd be great when it does happen. I know it's gonna happen, but that's something that I've always just wanted to do. Every time I see a campaign with someone that has the face of it and they just look so beautiful, and I just feel like that would be such a cool experience. So I'm just taking these swatches off really quickly, and let me say, these eyeliners, they're not coming off very easily, so that's a good sign. All right, so now we look a little more bronze. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the highlights. So I'm actually gonna use both of them. I'm first gonna go in with the more bronze shade, and I'm gonna use this one first just to act more as like a bronzer topper because it is a little bit deeper than my preferred highlight color. Looks really pretty. It does definitely have a little bit of glitter to it, which always isn't my absolute favorite, but it looks like it has a nice glow to it. Okay, and then we're just adding that. So I'm gonna add a little bit up here as well. And then we're gonna go in with the more icy shade and use this one more as a highlight here for the top. That shade is pretty. Definitely lots of glitter in these though. I don't always love glittery highlights. I can do them sometimes, but they're just not like my absolute favorite for everyday wear. But if that's something you're into, these are definitely more of a glittery finish. Okay, so now we're looking nice and shiny. I am going to try out the eye products next, and the one that I'm kind of gravitating towards is like these silver and this like frosted shade. I kind of want to use both of those. So I am going to prime my lid really quickly just with my CoverGirl concealer. This is my favorite way to prep for any eyeshadow. I'm going to go back into Hoola, and I'm just going to run some of this really quickly just in my crease, just because these are all shimmers, a part of this collection. Looking at the paper, it does look like they have some eyeshadow palettes that they launched with this as well, but I don't have those. But again, I'll have them linked down below. So I'm just going to run this really quickly just through my crease, just so we have a little bit of a base before we go in with those shimmers. Okay, now for the base, I am going to use these with my finger because I think that that's what's going to work best. I think these have a mirror on them. Yes, they do. Okay, so they do have mirrors. So I'm going to go ahead and pull off the sticker so we can use this as our mirror. And then I'm going to take the shade Silver Bells, and I'm going to grab this, like I said, just on my finger. And I'm just going to begin to tap this on my lid. These shadows, like I said, are so foiled, so a little bit definitely goes a long way, and you don't have to like press. You can just kind of tap them, and you're going to get the best pigmentation. Definitely lots of glitter in this one again, nice and foiled. This is definitely a holiday launch. I feel like these would be perfect for Christmas, New Year's Eve, a night out. Like, who are we kidding? We're not really doing much night out this year, but maybe next year. So definitely a really pretty foiled shadow for sure. Okay, so got that shade, and then I left kind of the inner corner parts a little bit empty so I could apply this white shade there. So I'm just going to pick this shade up, and I want this to be just on the inner corner. And again, this one has, yeah, you can definitely tell a little bit of a pink shift to it. This one feels a little bit more chalky than the last one. It's not as smooth, but it still looks pretty foiled and pigmented still. It just has a little bit of a different texture. This one again is called Cooler Than Being Cool. Loving how sparkly my eyes are looking. I'm just kind of tapping this shade all over my lid just for a little bit more of a cohesive look. And then we're going to try out some of these eyeliners, which I'm really excited about. Like I said, I've never tried MAC's eyeliner formula before, so this is going to be something new. So there are the 3 different ones that they sent over, and I kind of want to lean towards like this seafoam green color, and this one is in the Zenith Can You Chill one. So I'm going to work this shade onto my waterline. Kind of bring it down a little bit more, but I kind of just want the shade to really give us that extra dimension since we just have like this sparkle all over my lid. So this is definitely like feeling this one. It doesn't feel like a formula that's going to sit super well in your waterline. It's not really like, I can't really see it there. It's more just kind of ending up down here on my lower lash. So it's not going to be my favorite for waterline wear, but if you're someone who likes to like smudge out your eyeliner down here, I think you'll like this. I'm going to try the matte side and see if this one's any better for staying in your waterline or not. That one holds a little bit more, but still not really gripping the way I like it to. And then we're going to try the mascara. I've never tried the mascara before, so this is the Wow Factor Eye Kit, and this one is the Extreme Dimension 3D Black Mascara. So we're going to go ahead and give this one a whirl as well. Ooh, the wand is interesting on that. So here's what the wand looks like. It's like one of those spiky wands. So we're just going to go ahead and coat our lashes with this. So I won't say that this gives me like a ton of volume, but it's definitely bringing length to my lashes, which I appreciate. I just feel like it's not like, I don't know, the most volumizing mascara I've ever tried, but it does look nice on my lashes. So there's it on both sides. So again, definitely brought nice length to them. And then we're going to try out the lip products lastly. So for the lip, I feel like we need a red because like this is a holiday collection. Why not do a red? So I want to try that first red shade that I swatched. So I'm really quickly just going to line my lips with this lip liner from Thrive Cosmetics. This is in Valencia. This is one of my favorite formulas of lip liner. So really quick, just gonna give my lips a quick line. All right, and then going into the lipstick, again, this one is called Heart Goes Boom. And I love their matte formula. I think it's so comfortable on the lips. And I love how much payoff you get as well. So what I normally do is just do the bottom. And then I'll go like that. And like that's how much pigment these give off, that you don't even really need to apply it to your top. And I feel like with these, with the MAC formula in general, less is more, because I feel like they feel way more comfortable than when you apply like a lot of layers of them. But I love this red lip. So, so pretty. All right, I think this is our final look using the Frosted Firework collection. You guys will have to let me know down below if you are planning to grab this one from MAC Cosmetics, what you think of their holiday launches. All in all, I thought it was a pretty nice collection. I liked the eyeshadow for sure, was definitely the star of the show. Love the lip, of course. Love the packaging on the whole entire collection. The highlight's okay for me. It definitely has more glitter than I prefer, but the actual packaging is just so pretty on it. So for me, the highlight's probably like the least favorite thing. Also the mascara I don't absolutely love, but I know that's a cult classic, so a lot of you probably do love it. But I hope you enjoyed seeing this quick impromptu little first impressions and you found it helpful in some way. Again, I'll have the whole collection linked down below for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, friends.